Hi viewers, are you all ready to watch what I am going to do? Yes, you all are ready to watch and I am also ready to show you what I am going to do now. To do something different. What are we going to do? Savory meat pie. To make the savory meat pie, we need pastry, then we need a filling, white sauce and cheese. So we will see all what we are going to do, all those delicious things that we are going to do. First I will make the filling, right? We will see what the filling is going to be, and I have already done a big dish, but I am going to show in a smaller one. So we will see what we are going to do. First I have taken a pan and I am going to put the oil and start making the filling. I said we are going to do a nice savory pastry pie. So before that, I on the cooker, put the oil, and we will see how we are going to do the filling. We need a nice tasty filling, right? Oil I put, finely chopped onions, ginger garlic, curry leaves, which we need, and green chilies. All that we have put. Coriander leaves we have, but we will use it later. So now we are going to temper this first. Stir fry this. While you are stir frying, I am sure you know about little secrets. Put a little salt, it will get tempered fast. Now I have a lot of vegetables. I put the meat first and then we'll put the vegetables. I have got meat, boiled minced meat, chicken, mutton, any meat you like, or fish even, it's okay. Whatever we like we can use. So now that is being tempered. What do you think? I put only a little oil. I'm very I don't like too much of oil to come here. Too much of oil is not good for health. Now I have a lot of other ingredients such as capsicum, carrot, cut into small pieces all so that it gets cooked very fast. Then I put red pepper, that is because I had it. Otherwise you don't need to. Capsicum is enough. And cabbage. I have put the meat first and then we are using all the other ingredients. While I am stir frying, what I am going to do is put salt, turmeric, chili powder. Chili powder I can put about 3 teaspoons at least I can put, right? Chili pieces. Pepper. All that we have put them. Along with this, tomato paste, not tomato sauce. Tomato sauce is sweet, so tomato paste only I am using. It's a normal preparation I am doing. This is a filling. So the filling, when you say any filling. Now this is done. Enough. Filling is ready. Put this filling into a bowl. This we will keep aside, onto a side, because I am going to now do a white sauce. To make the white sauce, we'll see how to make the white sauce. Milk. A cup of milk. And I have taken about a tablespoon of water. And we will put about 1.5 teaspoon corn flour and mix it. A teaspoon of butter, white pepper I need, and mix all this together till it gets thicker. That is also done. We will keep aside. Now only I am going to make the pastry for you. So we will see how the pastry is done, what we are going to do. So to make the pastry, you need 250 grams flour. I am just putting a little. Please watch carefully so that you will know how to prepare. Just a little only I have taken. Just take 250 grams flour. 1 teaspoon baking powder, salt. Okay. After that, do not forget, this is a different type of pastry. 1 teaspoon sugar. 1 egg yolk I need because I need this egg yolk for something else. So I am keeping it. Actually, 1 egg yolk you put. Mix all this together and put a little water, little by little, we don't know, cold water, and then you mix it, right? I have got the pastry ready. I have already made the pastry, kept aside. You know what and what I have put. I have put even a teaspoon of sugar, egg yolk we have put, right? And we made the pastry. We are going to roll this. And we are going to fill into this. Once you make the pastry, with cold water only I put, little by little we have to put the cold water and make the pastry. I hope you will remember 250 grams. And I forgot to tell you one more thing, butter I put 90 grams. For 250 grams flour, I put 90 grams of butter. So you roll this nicely now. Roll it as thin as possible. I will show you the tray now so you can see. Roll it nicely. Now what we have to do is take the baking tray. Butter this nicely. Bubbles are coming. Bubbles are coming. What we have to do is the main portion, prick it with the fork. Prick nicely with the fork so that we can do a bit of bland baking. First you heat the oven, then you put the pastry. 4 minutes more than enough. If I bake over that, then I can't cover it up and press it again, so you can see when it's been done. So only 4 minutes bland baking, just bake it, prick it with a fork. So we have to put the filling and then we are going to cover it again. So that's a main thing that we have to do. So why we are baking it, the bottom portion, so that it will get cooked. If I put everything, the filling and then the covering and everything, sometimes the bottom won't get baked. That's the reason you bland bake it. You don't put anything like dal and anything on top into that. Only prick with the fork and bake it. After 4 minutes, we take this out. We take the pastry out. Then what I have to do is, I have to do the filling. Now we will nicely put the filling, spread it out. We made the white sauce. We have so many things to put. Coriander leaves, we will put a little coriander leaves. Then we put the white sauce over it. What do you think? It will be very tasty, very, very tasty. Filling will be tasty. What did I do now? Cheese. We have to put the cheese. Now this I am going to cover it. How am I going to cover? Now watch carefully. I am going to use the lattice cutter. I have a lattice cutter here. You can use this lattice cutter and cut. You have a square tray. See, if I press with that, you get squares. You can do that. If I am making an apple pie, see, I get apples. Can you see that? So we can press that and take the shape of it. Here you can have the squares, and this is the lattice cutter. If you all can use any of these, or else cut strips, cover with strips on both sides. That way also you can. You can see how it is. Right. Slowly lift this now. You can see now the lattice forming nicely. The lattice had to form. This won't come out. Like that. I need another person to help whatever said and done. Right? See, now press it nicely. It up now a little bit. Press nicely so that it will come out nicely. Then you do like this so that it will be. Patiently I was doing this so that it will be nice. This tray has a piece on this. Now nicely shape it up. See whether there is pastries here and there on the sides. No. Now what I am going to do is egg yolk on top. This didn't come out well because I need another person to help me to stretch it out and put. 180 centigrades, 360 Fahrenheit. You bake for 35 to 40 minutes. You can see the color coming out. We have made this savory meat pie. You can see how it looks. Normally when I do for about 4 or 5 people, I make it in a bigger tray, and you can bake it and take, and after you bake and take, you can cut into slices and serve with a salad or something, right? And that is like, you can have it with salad, parsley, salad, like that. You can have it whatever you want. It can be used like. I have made it savory meat pie. If you are doing with vegetables, savory vegetable pie. If it's fish, savory fish pie. Like that, you can have it any way you like. Okay, make it and see how it comes, because these are something different to the normal preparation, and I would love to give you more and more nice preparation. Next week with another episode, I will meet you soon.